Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Abdul Karim alias. In this video, I'd like to share with you a new wonderful, fantastic AI agent called Genspark. As you can see, I'm already signed in. So this is how it looks like inside Genspark, the main page here. So you can see on the left hand side here, the menu. So we have home, super agent, AI slides, AI sheets, image studio, video generation, all agent. So I'm now on this page, all agent, and it shows here advanced agent work autonomously on your complex tasks. So we have Genspark super agent, AI slides. This is the one that I'm going to share with you in this video. AI sheets, agentic deep research, call for me, agentic fact check. I'm not going to explain the different things here. Each one of these can do a lot of things, and I'm not going. If you're not familiar with AI agent, this is the next level of generative. How we can use generative AI, various applications of generative AI to perform really useful work for us, and is kind of, once we set up, is autonomous. So we can set up our own AI agents, a combination of selected AI tools to perform certain function and make it autonomous. I'm not going to explain more about AI agent because in this video, I'm going to use Genspark to create a presentation, and the kind of presentation that Genspark can create is really, to me, mind-blowing. You can just simply give a prompt, and then you can get the whole set of slides ready for you. It's very detailed, very comprehensive. Or you can also upload any document. It can be a PDF. It can be any article from the website. It can be the whole book even. So you can feed Genspark with the materials, and it can create a presentation from those materials that you upload. Okay, so and I'm going to create a presentation using Genspark, and the topic of the presentation is about explaining about what is AI agent, and then we can see how Genspark works in terms of creating presentation. It's really, to me, something that I really want to show you and share with you how powerful is this AI agent can be, and can help us to do so many things all automatically once we know how to use it. Okay, so now let me go to AI slide here, or here, from here, AI slides. Okay, so all you need to do now is to put in your prompt or your instruction, or you can upload any document, then you can ask Genspark to create a presentation. So I have the prompt already, so I just paste the prompt here. Create a visually striking and informative presentation on AI agents designed to captivate AI enthusiasts eager to explore and harness the full potential of artificial intelligence. The presentation should balance technical insight with accessible explanations showcasing real-world application, emerging trend, and future possibility. And of course, I can attach any documents about AI agents, but in this case, I just want to demonstrate just by using a prompt, provided the prompt is, give enough details. And after that, we can also give instruction using our voice, and then just let Genspark to do its work. And it's very interesting to see the process, the thinking process behind it, step by step. So in this case, usually when we use AI agents, it will involve several different AI applications. And usually if we set up our own AI agents, we will first decide what are the different applications needed to perform or to accomplish certain tasks. But in this case, the Genspark is basically the AI agents that already set up for us. So we are just simply using the AI agent set up already. In this case, the particular task is to create a presentation. So as you can see on the right hand side, already the first slide. So it will actually create the presentation slide by slide, and you can see it's all the process. So it's quite interesting to just watch and how the behind the scene process. Actually, these are all the instruction, and the AI agent is communicating with another agent, instructing another agent to perform specific function but the result will be finally a slide. So this is actually the first slide already done. AI agent exploring the frontier of artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's see. I will pause this. Maybe we'll see the second slide. Then after that, I'll pause this video because it can take about 10 minutes or so, depending on the number of slides, to create for 10 slides. From my testing before, it takes about 10 minutes maybe. So this is a second slide. As you can see here, it's quite a comprehensive information on the slide. So I will pause the video now, and you can see the process is continue. So basically this process is to generate one slide. So it will generate, Genspark actually will generate the presentation slide by slide. And we can see the process to generate just one slide, how much programming behind it and process behind it. Okay, I will pause and we'll come back. All right, so the presentation is completed now. As you can see, first slide, second slide, third slide, fourth, fifth slide, number 6. So you can see for each slide, the information on each slide is comprehensive. Only 6 slides in this case. Sometimes you can generate up to 10, or maybe if you want to specify the number of slides also you can in the prompt. So these are all the processes or the steps involved in preparing the presentation. So you can copy actually to see how this process of creating this presentation.